Hello, students. Welcome to 2026 Jamb preparatory classes. And I'm going to start with the set of questions for mathematics in Jamb 2025. And I want you to enjoy yourself. I'm going to solve 53 questions. So we start from question 1. Now, if you look at it, we are asked to find the area of this triangle. Now, the good thing about this is that we have this base, and the base here is 9 plus 11, which is equals to 20 centimeters. Then we have the perpendicular height, which is 13. So we don't really have any issue. We just go straight to using the area, the formula for area of a triangle. So area is equals to 1 by 2 base times height. So it's going to be 1 by 2 times the base, which is 20, then times the height, which is 13. So here 1 and here is 10. So 10 times 13 is equals to 130. So this is 130 centimeters square. You can see that our answer is C. Good. So let's go to the second question. Now the second question says that the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equivalent to. Now I want you to learn something. Now when it comes to set, in representation of set, there is no repetition and all the members of the set must be represented. So if you check, D suits what we want. All the rest have deficiency, but D suits what we want. So D is the answer. The deficiency is that this does not have 5, and this has 2 5s repetition, and this still does not have 5. So these ones didn't really give us what we want. So the answer is D. Then let's go to E, number 3, sorry. Solve the simultaneous equation. All right, now since you have this question, if you are going to be stressed, why not just write it out as x by 2. Let me use a blue ink. Okay, you have x by 2 minus y by 5 is equals to 1. Why not multiply through by the LCM? And the LCM is LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So this times 10, this is times 10, and this is times 10. And if you do it that way, you are going to get 5x minus 2y is equals to 10. So that is your representation of equation 1. Then the other one is y minus x over 3 is equals to 8. The LCM is 3, so multiply through by 8, by 3, sorry. So this is by 3, this is by 3, and this is by 3. So what you're going to have is 3y minus x is equals to 24. Okay, so this is what you have. Now, this is equation 2. Okay, so what you are going to do now in this question is that we are going to rearrange. Now, this is 5x minus 2y is equals to 10. Then I'm going to be minus x plus 3y is equals to 24. Why I'm rearranging is because I want to use elimination method. But if you want to use substitution method, it doesn't really matter. You can just get your answer, okay? Straight ahead. Now, once you have this, the next thing you are to do is to eliminate something that you feel you're comfortable with. For me, I'm going to eliminate x by multiplying this by 1 and multiplying this by 5. So therefore, I'm going to have 5x minus 2y is equals to 10. Then I'm going to have minus 5x plus 15y is equals to 120. All right. So therefore, I'm doing this now because these are different signs I'm going to add. So adding this goes and this becomes 13y, and this is equals to 130. So of course my y is equals to 10. Now if my y is equals to 10, I can get my x by putting it in any of the equations. So therefore I can say minus x plus 3 into 10. I'm using this equation now. Is equals to 24. So therefore, I'm going to have minus x plus 30 is equals to 24. So x is equals to 30 minus 24. So x is equals to 6. So you see my answers are x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 10. So therefore, I will just go straight to the whole, okay, the options. Where is x is y 10? That is C. All right, so that is how to do it. Now you can actually do it in other simpler ways, but just giving an idea of what to do. So thank you so much for watching. The next set of questions will be coming soon.